In this tutorial I will show you how to create such creative poster design in Photoshop which can be used as design template on t-shirt. Create new document of 2000 by 2500 pixels. Then from view select guides, then new guide layout. Follow these settings. Then from adjustment layer select solid color. Select black color. Press Ctrl+0 to fit to canvas. Press Ctrl+R to enable ruler. Left click and drag to add guideline. First of all we will add this genius text. Select Type tool. Left click to insert. Go to Properties. For this text I am using Plaquette Serial Bold font. Keep text size to 260 points tracking to -5. And color as per this hex code. Type the text. Then go to Layers. Right-click and convert text layer to Smart Object. Press Ctrl+T to free transform. Resize the text and place it inside the guides. Using Shift key stretch the text. Now we'll create this bottom portion. Select Rectangle tool. Left click to create. Keep width to 825 pixels and height to 200 pixels. Radius will remain 0. From Properties keep fill to none and stroke as per this hex code. Copy this hex code. Keep stroke size to 4 pixels. Place rectangle in left bottom corner. Again select Rectangle tool. Keep width to 200 pixels and height will remain same. From Properties keep fill as per this hex code. Place it accordingly. Add guidelines as shown. From File place globe icon. Place it accordingly. Hold Ctrl key and left click on icon to make selection. From adjustment layer select solid color. Select black color. Delete image layer. Then select Pen tool. Left click on start and end point using Shift key. Then change stroke color. Keep stroke size to 4 pixels. Then select Type tool. Left click to insert text. Go to Properties. Sign bold font is used for this text. Keep text size to 14 points. Tracking to 260. Type restricted text here. Place it accordingly. Hold Alt key and drag text to make a copy. Font will remain same. Change text size to 6 points. Keep leading to 9 points. Tracking to 10. Keep paragraph to center text. Type the text. Place it accordingly. Select all layers we created now using Shift key and group them. Name it as restricted. Delete unwanted guides. Select Rectangle tool. Keep width to 320 pixels and height to 200 pixels. From Properties, keep Fill to None and Stroke to Color. Keep stroke size to 4 pixels. Place rectangle to right bottom corner. Select Type tool. Go to Properties. Century Gothic bold font is used for this text. Keep text size to 12. Tracking to -25. Type adult only text here. Place the text inside the rectangle. Using Alt key, make a copy of text. Font will remain same. Change text size to 24. Tracking to -100. Type the text. Place it accordingly. Then select Rectangle tool. Left-click and drag to make rectangle. From Properties, Fill Color. Place this rectangle layer below text layer. Then from Properties, change Adult Only text color to black. Select all layers we created now using Shift key and group them. Name it as Adult Only. Select Type tool. Left-click to insert. Then go to Properties. Paradiso bold font is used for this text. Keep text size to 61 points. Tracking to -10. Color to white. Type bust text here. Right-click on text layer and convert it to Smart Object. Place it accordingly between these two rectangles. Now we'll create these advisory part and icons portion. From Ruler, add guideline. Then select Rectangle tool. Keep width to 380 pixels and height to 280 pixels. Radius will remain 0. From Properties, keep Fill to None and Stroke to Color. Keep stroke size to 4 pixels. Place the rectangle on right corner. Select Type tool. Left-click to insert. Go to Properties. Bebas Neue font is used for this text. Keep text size to 30 points, tracking to -5 and color to white. Type advisory text here. Place the text inside rectangle. Hold Alt key, left-click and drag to make a text copy. Select and go to Properties. Bonnet Grotesque regular font is used for this text. Keep text size to 12.55 pixels. Tracking to 550. Color as per this hex code. Type parental text here. Place it accordingly. Make a copy of text. From properties, font and text size will remain same. Change tracking to 120. Type text here. From ruler, add guideline. Then select Rectangle tool. Left-click and drag to make a rectangle. From Properties, keep Fill to Color. Select and place rectangle layer below text. Select Advisory text and from Properties change Fill Color to black. Select all layers we created now using Shift key and group them. Name the group as Advisory. Remove unwanted guides. Now we'll add icons. From File, place globe icon. From ruler, add guidelines. Then select Ellipse tool. Left-click to create. Keep width and height to 230 pixels. From Properties, keep Fill to white. Place it above globe icon. Then select Type tool. Place it on ellipse border and left-click to insert. Then go to Properties. Akira Expanded Super Bold font is used for this text. Keep text size to 10 points, tracking to -40. Type the text. Then select Ellipse tool and from Properties keep Fill to none. Select all layers we created now using Shift key and group them. Name it as 2025. Place it accordingly. Remove unwanted guides. Select icon layer and press Ctrl+J to make a copy. Select and place it below text right corner. Double-click to select text and change the text. Change group name as well. Then from File, place remaining icons. Place it below text left corner. Place it below text right corner. Select icon layers we placed now using Shift key and group them. Name it as icons. Then from ruler, add required guides as shown. Then select GG design layer. Press Ctrl+T to free transform and resize it accordingly. Now we'll add these paragraphs placed vertically. Select Type tool. Left-click and drag to add paragraph. Then go to Properties. Bondschrift font is used for this text. Keep text size to 6 points leading to 9 tracking to 0, color to white, copy paragraph style as well. From Properties go to Transform and change angle to -90 degree. Place the paragraph text accordingly. Using Alt key make a copy. From Properties change its rotation angle to 90 degree. Remaining properties will remain same. Place it accordingly. Group the paragraph layers. Name it as text. Then select GG design layer. Press Ctrl+T and drag to shift it upwards. Lastly, we'll place this head sculpture and wireframe sphere. From ruler add vertical guideline in center. Then from file place head sculpture image. Image link is provided in description. Right-click on layer and convert it to Smart Object. Press Ctrl+T to resize and place it accordingly. Then from file place wireframe sphere image. Hold Ctrl key and left-click on layer to make selection. Then from adjustment layer select solid color. Copy this hex code. Delete image layer. Select solid color layer and place it below sculpture layer. Press Ctrl+T and place it accordingly. Select advisory layer and place it on the top. Then select head sculpture layer. From layer style add drop shadow. Copy this hex code. Copy this overall settings. Then from view select guides, then clear guides. Then select top layer. Press Ctrl+Alt+Shift+E key to create merged layer. Name it as final. This is the final look. That's it for today. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel and let me know in comments. Also don't forget to check out my other Photoshop tutorials. Thank you.